Hello, today we are going to assemble the carpet platform. As you can see, these are the big pieces with the rail on this side, and I have put different type of a board on my back, so it's easier to organize when assembly. And these are the small piece of board. And first, we're gonna take this piece. This piece. So we take this piece. As you can see, this side there is a countersink hole on these two sides and on the top side, but there is no holes on the bottom. Now we take this piece. As you can see, there is a hole over here and there's a hole over here. This hole is in the middle of the side. Make sure the hole in the middle of the side is on the same side as the top two holes. And the locking ring is over here. Then you use the screw to secure them together. Now here's another piece. Same thing. The middle hole is on the top and two holes on here. Locking ring face outside. And you found this piece with the two big slot on the bottom, and here's the opening. Countersink on the back. There is a hole on the back, so you just put it here. Two more screws on the back side, bottom side. And now you can also put the feet into the screws. The rubber feet. Okay, let's put this aside first. Then you take this one with the pulling handle, and this board with the strap clip. The strap clip facing the pulling board, pulling handle, like this. Then this is a counter sinkhole on the top. You carefully position the screws. Then here's the opening for the pulling bar. Place this on top. And secure it with the screws. At the front, you look for this piece, two counter sinkhole at the bottom of the board, and the two screw hole at the top. Okay, the first section is done. Let's push it aside first. Second step, we're gonna take these two pieces with the blue locking switch. You have this piece, and you have this piece, and this one. This one has slots on the bottom, and these two also have a slot. You align the slot together. The blue switch goes on my right hand side. The rail is facing outside, so it's like this. Then another one without the blue switch, rail face outside, countersink hole over here. Then you slide in the board. And you will find this piece with a little opening for the blue switch. Countersink hole, two countersink hole here, two countersink hole here. Position the slot. And at the bottom, you will find 4 little screw holes. This is for assembling the support leg bracket. You will have this small brown screw. Secure them with these little screws. Second section is done. Then the final piece. Make sure the counter sink hole is face up. And you have these rails. Here's a little bit, you need to pay more detail on this. You see there is a hole over here, and there's a tube hole over here. The bottom also there is 2 holes, but it's smaller. Make sure the bigger hole is face up. Again, 2 bigger holes on this side, small hole on the bottom. So big hole on the top, and front there's a hole over here. So big hole in the front. There is also a hole in the front. Here's a big hole at the top, small hole at the bottom, hole at the front, rail face inside. Then you found this piece. small hole at the bottom, big hole at the top, and the 2 countersink hole at the front. Oh, the handle, the pulling handle, I assembled it in advance, but you can try to assemble this by yourself. It's very simple, just 2 simple screws at the back to secure the handlebar. Put them together. Let's align the rail carefully. You will hear a clicking sound. Then you press the blue switch to slide in. Give him a little force so it will go in. Once it's in, then it will be very smooth. Then slide in the top piece. Line the rail. Okay. And when you want to install this to your vehicle, I prefer to place this onto the vehicle first because the unit is rather heavy. If we add the bed platform together and try to bring up to the vehicle, it will be quite constraining. So we won't put this together until we move them separately onto the vehicle. That's it. Thank you. First, we are going to secure the overland bed with the fasten hook. Place here, then go through the ring, then to the other side, go through another ring, we provide you with the ratchet hook fastened to another ring. Then you put this end of the strap through the hole here. Till it feels tight. Then do the same thing for the front one. There's a fasten ring over here. You want to put the overland bed as far back as possible. This way you have a more sleeping area. And right now you take this hook, you fasten it to the passenger seat. It helps to stabilize the supporting frame. You can adjust the height from the behind. Then you pull out the supporting frame and place on the hook. We have provided you with a 4 supporting column, and it's an adjustable height. You put it under the supporting frame, adjust to the height that according to your vehicle. Like this. Then you fasten the green ring lock. Normally you only need to do it once, then after you adjust to the appropriate height, then you don't need to do it again. You see here is the much shorter the previous one, so you can take out the part. Now we are going to attach the wooden platform. You clip, secure the clip, release the Velcro. You can spread out this frame. And if you want to use the drawer, we have provided you with the two extendable support rod. There's a screw hole underneath it. You can screw it in for extra support. And here is how you pack the overland bed. First, you take the first one and clip like here.